How to animate still photos with Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can animate your pictures with Canva. Alright, so you're going to choose your picture that you want to animate and just make it bigger so that it covers everything. Then you're going to click on the image itself and click on edit photo. Then you will click on magic grab. Okay, so you see it is already on the image itself. Click on the image and click on animate. So you can use the basics, you can use drift. I'm going to use drift and I'm going to up the intensity, and you can choose the direction. I'm going to choose up, and then you have your little animation. Okay, you can choose multiple ways to animate your picture. You can choose that. You can choose the in or out option, the drift, anything you want to add. Okay, cool guys. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.